Hi there, and welcome to Cluster Repairs UK, your trusted partner for expert automotive display repairs, servicing and parts. Today we will be presenting the spare part display screen for the 2014 to 2020 Vauxhall VIVARO and MOVANO Sat Nav onboard computer display. These displays tend to develop a few issues. Here's what to look out for: a smashed or cracked screen, the touch screen that's unresponsive or slow, black spots or marks showing up across the screen, or parts of the display that just go missing altogether. Here's a quick look at a faulty display. In this case, the touchscreen is intermittent or not working at all. We only supply genuine factory authorized parts, sourced directly from trusted European distributors. No rejects, no B-grade stock, just top quality parts you can count on. And once a brand new screen is professionally fitted, sharp, responsive and working like new again. Plus, when you order one of our genuine parts, you'll get 14 days of free access to our detailed, step-by-step tutorial videos, filmed to trade standards to help you get the job done right. We've been doing this since 1986, and we're proud to support customers around the world with 2 UK locations and award-winning service that's always here when you need it. Got a question or need a bit of help? Just hit the Ask Seller a Question button below. Thanks for watching. That's all for now, and happy repairing.